Hello everyone. This is Amar from HostKnock. Today, I am going to show you how to create a new email account using cPanel. You will also learn how to create an email forwarder so you can forward incoming email to a different email address. Let's get started. First of all, you need to log in into your cPanel with your username and password. Once you are logged into your account, click on the email account on the left-hand side. Here you will see a Create button. Click on that Create button. The next screen will ask you to enter your username and passwords. You can also click on the Password Generator button that will automatically generate a secure password for you. Scroll down and you will see a Storage Space option. This asks you to allocate the disk space you want to use for this email account. Try to allocate as much space as you can so none of your inboxes don't delete old emails to make way for newer ones. Once done, go ahead and click on the Create button. Double-check that your account was created successfully or not by scrolling down. Here you will see the list of all the email accounts you have created through your cPanel. Best of luck. I hope this guide helped you. Have any questions or comments, feel free to ask and share in the comments section below. Stay tuned to watch more videos like this.